Yeah, it looks a little better. I could actually see crap. I should go with 1080. Okay, what the hell? Can I angle this thing back to see everything? Okay, so this... What happens if I do this? And then, I don't think this is gonna work. Because there's no tighty-whitey. Yeah, there's no squeeze down. So what the hell? If I put these damn things on though. Ow. Ow! Let's see, and then I put that on. And then this is supposed to go up against that. Oh, there it goes. See? You reverted. Okay. Why is this damn thing tightening now? Uh-oh, I think I cross-threaded. Okay, so yeah, I got the plastic tubing, plastic piping. I'm trying to make it work. And it's... Okay, my glasses just fell off. So I can't see a damn thing. Okay, why? Why, oh why? Okay. I'm supposed to... That damn thing... Oh, nothing. What the hell? I thought it was supposed to cinch down on that damn thing. It's not cinching down, dude. Why isn't this thing cinching down? Okay, let's see. This might be too much light. Tad much. Okay. Oh, it just squeezed it right in there. What if I need to hack off some of that? What the hell? I need to hack off that crap. I need to hack off that crap? Why isn't this thing squeezing down? Because I could do it the old-fashioned way, though. And... What the hell? Okay. So that goes... I could use a thingy there. You know what? I could use this here. Did I use that here? Let's squeeze that down. I think that's probably what the hell I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, why the hell isn't this damn thing fitting? Oh, it's because it's not supposed to fit. It's supposed to just go in the little mouthy there. And then I think that thing's supposed to... Wait, squeeze down on top. Wait, no. That doesn't make sense. Okay, where's the other one? Okay, oh, damn it. Let's see. So where's the other one? Wait, is that the right way? No, I don't think that's the right way. I think... Okay. I think I'm getting close. Am I getting close? Yeah, that guy was right about that damn thing not squeezing down there. So, I need to make that turn. I can use that one. There, okay. And then... Oh, you know what? And then I could probably just pull that down though. Just take a little bit of this off and then just pull it down and then make it reach. Because it's too long right now and that thing won't fit in there properly. Yeah, I think this one's supposed to be a little long. Okay, I'm gonna pause and then get back. Okay, pause. Okay, I'm back. Part 29. Oh yeah, as the YouTubers say, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I've been dying to say that for years. Let's see now. Okay, I should have shown the part where I hacked this crap off. Thought that would have been kind of cool. But what the hell? I just used like a little saw. Nothing really special, Russell. Let me see. So I have to make it a little shorter. Hope I don't do anything evil to this damn thing. Ah, oh, man, I'm tired. I had to lose 100 pounds. What's today? Thursday. Damn it. I wanted to lose 100 pounds by Friday this week. Damn it. Okay. Now. Okay, this baby's gonna have to puck out. Shit. Oh, sorry. Excuse the language. Let me see. Oh, damn it. I think it's pretty good. I think this might work. This might just work. It might. It might. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, looks like I think what I'm gonna have to do here though is wait. Gotta put a I'm gonna get this up far enough and then let me see. This damn thing, is it screwing down? Is that it? No, that's not it. I don't think it's holding. I think it's holding. I don't think it's Van Helsing. Oh, I think it's supposed to be it. It should be it. Damn it. Should have just did the old-fashioned way and put a thingy on it. Let me see. Why isn't this thing screwing down? I don't know what I'm doing incorrectly here. I wonder if those threads are supposed to hold. I could put that other one back on and then just break off a piece of that one. Oh wait, that doesn't feel like it's tight. Well, only real one way to find out if the damn thing holds. This is why I put it off so damn. Okay. When I get my damn face on camera, you'll know what I look like. Find out I'm a secret agent. And then you'll try and kill me. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's see. If I can hold that part. It might be okay. Now I just need to find a thing. Okay, let me just pause this. Okay, are we continuing? Okay, yes. So the other part, now I'm going to try to, okay, where's that damn thing? I'm going to try to use this thing. So I'm going to have to, I probably should have put that on there before I did things, but what the hell? Let's see, what size is this damn thing? This is I can't see it. What the hell is the lens? It's a crappy lens. Okay. It's an 8mm. Let's see, what's the smallest I have? Is that an 8? Yeah, that's an 8. Well, what do you know? Okay, so I'll try to use that to get started. And let me see. Okay, so let me pause it real quick. Alrighty then. Let's see. So now I need to get. Oh, what the hell is my light? The hell is my bulby? Where's my bulby? Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Damn it. Okay, so now I'll try and get this around here and then start that. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Oh, this is not how I wanted it to look. I definitely wanted a more professional looking thingy, but what the hell? Take what you can get. Just want to see what the hell's going on here. Plus the water isn't coming out properly. It's actually like dumper draining some crap. I'm not sure that's the correct terminology. The water main broke, and I think I tried to put some like sealant on it when the thing got too cold and burst, and I think it went into the pipes. Okay. Alrighty then. We're all filled up. I think we're all ready to go. Let's see. Oh, what the hell? Oh, okay. No, that's okay. Oh, wait. I gotta clear the damn sink. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Pause again. All the stuff I actually using the sink for, which I'm utterly ashamed of. There's another thing. How to clean your crap. So get my batteries out of there. My radio controlled toys. Let's see. Don't try and make sure I don't show myself because I'm naked. And I don't want people to get sick when they see me naked. So let's see. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this, put that in there. Put my batteries in. Oh, wait. I think that might be okay. Oh, what the hell else do I have to get out of there? Pretty much every damn thing. Okay, it looks like just throw that crap out. Get all this little crap out. Okay, this little crap. Little crap. I gotta check those batteries later. Okay, let's see if I can get this crap. What the hell? What is that? What is that? This is my air conditioner crap. And move all this out. And do this quickly. Then flower pot died and fell in here. Okay, it didn't die. Just fell in here. Actually, it died years ago, and then it came back to life again. There's a damn ant trying to hate it when those damn ants come back. Okay, don't want anybody to see this. Don't want Peter to see this.